Indian cuisine means spicy, tasty, flavorsome food. Masalas are the heartbeat of any Indian kitchen. Each spice has a unique flavor, and when it is used in combination with others, magic happens. These spices not only add taste to the food, but it's proven that they have transformative medical and health benefits which help you live a healthier and longer life. In a single dish like dal tadka, you would add at least 4 to 5 spices. On an average, the basic spices we would use in our kitchen would be 16 spices or maybe more. So now you need to store them right. If not stored properly, you may lose all the flavors and health benefits. Tupperware has a solution for you. Presenting to you the Modular Mate Round Size 2. It is an iconic product which has an airtight seal specially designed to store dry ingredients and lock in the flavor and freshness. The modular mates save space as they are stackable. It saves time as they are easy to open, saves money so you can buy masalas in bulk and store them as they will stay fresh much longer. So my kitchen has the new Spice Station. Go get yours.
Dum